straight line, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me.
How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you?
It's just a 10.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It's a little 20.
How much you got on you?
It's just a 30.
How much you got on you?
I blow the 40.
How much you got on you?
I made it 50.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It turned it to 60.
How much you got on you?
Then I spent the 70.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It came back with 80.
Hey, how much you got on
I
you?
came with a whole
Hey, how much you got on you?
bitch, I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Y'all wanna fuck me
Hey,
now.
how much you got on you?
She say I'm hot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Yeah, this a lot.
I got a lot on me,
I got a lot on me.
but that ain't a lot of me.
That ain't a lot to me.
Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So, I'm working on my boy Damien's dually. So, he got the same truck as I got. So, the reason I'm doing this video, because it's the audio stuff, right? So, we got JBL. I got my new head unit and everything. So, right now, we're taking the door panels off. So, we messing with these third gens. Take this off. There's the bolt there. We're going to take the door handle off. Door handle 10 mil. So we get that bad boy off. I'm gonna take that screw out there, this screw. There's two at the bottom down there, and then you just pretty much just lift up, and then go up, pull, and make sure you undo the clips inside of the door. So let me get that for y'all. So once you get that out, everything is off. So these clips I'm talking about, it's for your locking your window up and down. Got both of the fronts down already, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these speakers out and start getting the front ones in. So both fronts are out right now. I was going to just do the fronts and then roll my way to the back. Might as well take both panels off, all four. Radio and everything over there, we'll get to that here in a second. So same thing with the rear. You got that 10 mil up in there, like I was talking about earlier. Screw there, and it should lift right up. So go ahead and get that. So like I said, one bolt, one screw, pop it up, make sure you undo these. So there's the speakers, both sides. So it's pretty simple to replace these speakers. So let's go ahead and get to it. So if you get the kit like I got, the Dodge Ram 2500 kit, front and back. So that come with the connector. If you don't, it's cool. You can always just order a Chevy, Dodge, Chrysler, the Chrysler Dodge harness. That's your part number right there. Plug and play. That's simple. So just come up to it. So you got a clip set up. Plug that thing in like so. Clips right in, and you get your ends for your speakers. So that's the rear speakers right now. So I chose the JBL Stage 3s for him. So like pretty good quality. Well, to see. Know me, I put stuff to the test. So remember on the older one, it's only three bolts. So 3 screws. So you got one here and one there. So I was able to get them factory on both sides. But I had that force drill, the third one. Because I ain't really nowhere up here for this to even lock into. So they're held on by 3. It's not going anywhere. See if I can pull on that motherfucker. It's good. Both sides. So think about that third one. You can get a little sat up. I don't got any short ones, so I would have did it. But I got a long one, so it probably hit his window. So I just, like I said, I force fed the other one back in. So that's where we are. I think they would give you a surroundings. They don't. So if you can order the surroundings before you put everything in, do that. Well, I don't know. Anyway, got it in. Put these rear door panels back on. Actually, don't put the fronts in, then put the rear door panels back on and everything else. Make sure everything sounds good as we go. And just like that, they're all in. They sound amazing. So get your door panels back on, and then we get the head unit out. What's up, everybody? So we're back again. So Right now I'm working on this panel. So this whole panel gotta come out. You just pretty much pop the sides off. Pop it up out of there. Unplug everything needs to be plugged. So we just got done separating this bezel from this trim. So you got to drill it out because it's on the back side. It's I don't know what they did, but whole thing around is done like that. So make sure you get a drill bit, drill it out, and then a new one goes in. You're gonna need screws. So I'm gonna show you what screws you're gonna need. So gonna get some of these. They're gonna go through the back like so, and then they pretty much go into this other panel. Hold on. So I already got his AC unit in here. So that's the radio and everything. It's the back side. So this is what you drilled out on the other one. Top's gonna be interesting because it's kind of different. But yeah, you need the little screws, screw it all in, and then send it about its way. So all you pretty much doing is just getting all that set up, put together. So continue on, get everything needs to begin, and then we'll come back. So once you get the holes drilled out a little bigger, these come through. As you see, they're all sticking through pretty far. So you're gonna have to take a Dremel and trim them. Front side looks amazing now. They're flush like it's supposed to be. So, like I say, you just gotta take a Dremel or mark them, and then chop them, and then you should be ready at that point. I gotta get screws and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up what I gotta do inside the truck, get all the wires ran. So we got a microphone mounted up there. So next we're gonna take the GPS. Probably I gotta figure out what this box is, and either put GPS here or try to run it over there and have it come down, drop back over into where the radio's at. So let's get to that and go get these screws and then be on our way. So now I got his microphone in right there. Got a GPS. I need to go get some window cleaner. Clean this windshield, stick it there. So all these wires are here. Even got RCA's ran up under the seat, like my amp setup. So mics. I tried getting it to go back up under here and everything, but the bar back there holding it. I really don't feel like fighting with all that. So just put it in 20 slits. It's on a big back on there anyway, so make it do what it do. So let's go ahead and get these screws and get everything situated. So if you got a plastic welder, I suggest you use that. I had to cut some down. One of the original screws had to get cut down. Use my Dremel over here, man. I'm telling you, this thing is stressing me out right now. So I got these in. This one I messed up on, but it's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the bottom, 6, 7 total. So the reason I said plastic welder is probably better. So got it in and everything looking clean. Bam! Right there and right there. So if you got a plastic welder, suggest you do that. This route. So go ahead and put his AC controls in, get those locked in, and then I might put it in tonight. I don't know my time schedule now. I got to take the old lady out for her birthday, but yeah. So get back to it. So finally done. This thing is freaking insane. It has we got Wi-Fi, everything on this thing. This thing is crazy, man. Whole lot of features. Take it home. I'll connect to my Wi-Fi, so got YouTube on here. Got a plethora of things. Don't have to be connected to the phone. It's got a hotspot on. This thing is freaking sick. While I'm connecting to the server. looking at my phone to see how the audio is on it. Sign in Google. I don't feel like doing all that. So yeah, got all connected and everything. I just gotta tuck those wires. So some work, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I'll tell you that much. It's definitely worth it. So there we have it. Connected, done. Everything's set. So I'm gonna play around with this for a little while. See how she does. Anyway, till next time, keep macking. Peace.